Hey Personal Finance, welcome to week 6. This week we're going to be looking at how to buy a car. So you're going to start off by looking for a used car between $10,000 and $15,000 and also looking for a new car worth more than $50,000. On Monday afternoon we're going to update our stocks and you're going to work with your small group to compare the cars that you found and just check in with each other. On Wednesday morning you're going to be looking at some videos by Dave Ramsey about financing a car and some tricks for that and some things to avoid. On Wednesday afternoon, you're going to look at how to calculate auto loans using a spreadsheet, and then you'll be doing the spreadsheet part of the used car, new car project, calculating, what is going to be a better deal for you, which is going to be better for you. And then we'll finish up the week with a warm-up question, which is what are 5 things you should consider when you're buying a car? And you'll have a little bit of time in the synchronous session that day to finish everything up if you haven't yet. The used car, new car project is due on Friday at midnight, but you might be able to get it done sooner than that. So I'll leave you to it, and I'm going to make that video about the used car, new car project for you. See you soon.